Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up in less than a minute, so let's see what happens. Okay, I have an order at, wow, that was fast. Had an order at 104.45 and I was out as quick as I could move the cursor over. You'll have to move the video back, but you'll see I got filled, and then in the process of dragging the cursor to click buy to get my order in there, I was already taken out. So $75, and I don't know, what was that, like 1.2 seconds? Let's see if I can get the next order. All right, going for the break of 105. All right, well, this time it didn't move up and fill me as fast as the last time, so I'm going to adjust to 105.95. So 105.95. Again, I was at 105.45, and right there only went up as high as, let me actually do this so you can see. So right there went up as high as 105.25, and I was at 45. So 105.95, if you're unfamiliar with my screen, is where my new order is at. So let's see if it can get up there or not. 106.45, have an order at. Got up as high as 106.25 again, so it seems to like that 25 number. Let's see if it can get up to 106.45. I will pause. Okay, I moved an order up to 105.95 here. Nope. If you take that back, you'll see I was on the best offer, did not fill me, and then drop back down, so no longer interested at 105.95, although I would have been fine right there, but still didn't like the level 2 action. All right, we'll see if it can get up to 106.45 or not. There's an attempted break. There we go. Okay, I'm in and out that fast, just like the first entry point. Again, you may have to scroll back. That's double checking here and watch that again, but I got filled, and then as fast as I could move the cursor over to click the buy button to exit, because it was a short position, I was out that fast. So next, first order at 106.95. If it wants to make its way back up there, we will see. All right, looking for entry at that 106.95 mark. It's looking like it could happen. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change to 107.45 now. Remember, I am looking at other things on my screen that you cannot see, so that makes me feel better. It only got up as high as 106.80, so I would not have been filled anyways. But let's see if we can get up to 107.45. Okay, going for the break 107. Well, the time it did hit 106.95, so that doesn't necessarily mean I would have been filled, but all right, we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and pause and take a look around. Maybe there's some other stocks out there. Have an order here at 41.75 on ATVI. This one's just gotten a gap and trap and is getting absolutely hammered. So we'll keep a close eye on that one too. Still have that order out on EA. All right, have an order at 104.55 to buy this pullback, although 105 is being pretty stubborn. But if it can break through 105, then looks looking like it's got a chance to hit 104.55. We'll see. Have an order at 45.75 here on ROKU for 500 shares. All right, I'm going to go down to 45.55 now. Getting really beat up, but now it's back up above. So let's see, got as high as low as 45.82, so not quite. I was 7 cents off there. And now it seems to be bouncing a little bit, or now it seems to be going back down. Let's see if we can get down again, 45.55. Have order at 44.85 on Roku here. Still a ways off, but this one's very jumpy. So it could very well just snap down there all of a sudden and fill me. I may miss it on video, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, going for the maybe break of 45. It's hovering down there. All right, I'm going to pause. Have an order at 104.25. Key break looking like it's got to be the 104.50. So there was the break. Let's see if we can get down to 104. Well, honestly, I was looking for a bigger break than that, so I'm just going to go to 103.85 now. Okay, I have an order at 103.85. Looking for a quick, there's the break. Oh, and it stopped. Stopped right above me. 103.55 then. 103.55, new entry point. New first entry point, I should say. How low did that actually go? Low of 103.84. Good old hindsight. All right, I will pause. Holy smokes. Okay, wow. I think I caught the exit point there, but that move was that was an algo move there. It shot up there meaning I was at 104.65 and the price was literally at 104. In fact, let me get my next order out there at 104.95 just in case a crazy move like that happens again. But it was down, just hovering around 104.35, and literally within the blink of an eye, I was filled at 104.65. So it jumped up 30-40 cents in a split second. So that was an algo. Something happened with the algos there. And when I got the video rolling again, you saw me click the buy to set my order, which allowed me to get out right away again. So literally my third trade on this one, where it was, I was in and out of the trade as fast as I could get filled and then move my cursor over to click the buy button to get out. Remember, I'm clicking the buy button to get out for those of you that are maybe newer, because I'm shorting, which means I sell first and then buy second. So that's what I mean by clicking the buy button to get out. So again, I apologize that I missed that entry point, but I'm pretty sure I caught the exit point there. But like I said, everything happened so fast, but that was quite the crazy move. Let's see if I can capture another one, but $200 now. And like I said, all these trades, I wish every day was like this, where I was in and out of trades within, literally a second. But let's see if I can get another one. Okay, I have a podcast I gotta record here in just a few minutes, so I'll wrap things up. Kind of a bizarre video because it's over 10 minutes long, but actual trading was maybe 5 seconds because every single trade was so quick. But it is what it is. So if you enjoyed this video, the easiest way to communicate that to me is just to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a live trading chat room, and then also I send out a weekly newsletter. You can go to claytrader.com, and that's called the Inner Circle. It's only $99 per year. If you do the math, it's like $8.25 per month, or if you break it down per week, $1.90 per week. As I always say and will continue to say, I'm very confident that over the time span of 12 months, you'll get at least $99 worth of value. I realize I'm not setting the bar exactly high, but that price is just enough to keep out the pumpers, keep out the trolls, and make for a good community. And finally, if you're interested in wanting to learn how to trade with charts and build strategies using the tool of technical analysis and charts, which is what you see here, I do offer online video courses on that, which again, you can find at claytrader.com. But if you don't spend a dime, that is totally okay. But like I said, the easiest way to communicate to me, hey Clay, I do enjoy these live trade videos, is just to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.